Do you feel anxious in your maths class, or you start panicking when you have to take a maths test? All this means that you have maths phobia. Students are not born with the fear of math, but they learn to fear it. How does this fear enter in your mind? Just try to recall, when was the first time when you faced this fear? What was the reason for that? Majority of students, when they are in their primary classes, they enjoy the subject, and I'm sure you all will agree with it. Then what happens suddenly when they move to higher grades? This fear makes place in their mind. So the first thing is to find the reason of your fear or your maths anxiety. From my experience, I have noticed when a student gets a low grades in maths, this fear starts setting in. However, what students fail to understand is that one low score won't decide that whether you are weak in maths or not. So always remember, scoring low in maths doesn't mean that you are weak in math. There can be various other factors as well, such as your few concepts are not clear, or lack on practice, or maybe your paper attempting strategy is not right. So the best thing you can do is to identify the reason, analyze it and work on it. If you feel that your paper attempting strategy is not right, then I have already made a video on this particular topic. The link of the video will be attached in the description box below. So do check it out, cause it will be really beneficial for you. And today I will be sharing with you guys a few tips and tricks to get rid of your maths phobia. The first tip is to acknowledge the fear. The best way to get rid of the fear is to face it. Just be honest with yourself, identify the reason and work on it. Tip number 2 is regular practice. Practice makes a man perfect, and it does not mean that you keep on reading thousands of books on maths or just sit on for multiple hours practicing it. It won't help you to get rid of the phobia. Rather, it will make you more tired. Maths is not a subject where you just for a day and complete the entire syllabus. Just try dedicating some time for it, maybe an hour on every day. Analyze your mistake, learn from them and never repeat them again. Tip number 3 is to ask doubts. You should never afraid or feel shy of asking doubts. Even if you have small doubts, just get it clear, cause it will help you in long run to build a strong foundation. And strong foundation is a key to overcome the fear. Tip number 4, peer teaching. It is the best method to get rid of this phobia. Do you know, I myself had this phobia, and trust me, I tried almost everything to get rid of this phobia, but nothing seemed to work. Then one day when I was in my grade 7, my father asked me to teach my younger brother and help him in maths, and told me this will help me to get rid of my phobia. And I was like, how it's going to help me? But anyways, I gave it a try. Although there were no initial results for the first few days, and I didn't find any improvement, but over a period of time, it showed a significant improvement. I started enjoying maths. While teaching my brother, few of my concepts also got cleared. I gained confidence and eventually became good at maths. The reason why I am telling you all this, because to explain that peer teaching is a great way to clear your concept. In fact, it is the best method. It is truly said by Joseph Joubert, to teach is to learn twice. And it was rightly said. When we teach someone, be it your younger sibling, a peer or anyone, when you are teaching any concept, basically means you are revising that. So when you revise a concept, you eventually become good at it. It proves my point that peer teaching is the best method to get rid of the phobia. And trust me or not, these were the tips which helped me to get rid of my phobia. And today, because of these tips, I love maths. And fast track to that, now I am a maths teacher. And if these tips and tricks worked for me, it can work for anyone. And these are very easy to implement also, and have great results and will benefit you a lot. Just try to follow these simple tips and motivate yourself to come out of this fear, and do let us know in the comment below if it worked for you. And also share your ideas and tricks and to tackle your maths phobia. With this, we'll end our session here. If you find the video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.